Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Fruit for Thought box and it's a big one, so let's get into it and check it out. If you're new to Fruit for Thought, it's a box that comes out monthly. And each month it will be themed with a different fruit or vegetable type theme. They are always the absolute cutest themes. And we get things in them like kitchen goods and snacks, games, just everything that you could think of that could be related. Did I say snacks? I feel like I'm focused on, did I say snacks? Anything you feel like could be related to the theme for that month. We'll open this up. This is my September box. So we are a little behind with our FabFitFun spoilers. So that was our September box and it was afternoon tea treats. And right on top, I see snacks. Not that I'm just focused on snacks, but there be snacks. So we will have 5 to 7 products and I will put a link and a code below. Did I say this was sent to me for review? This is absolutely sent to me for review and I want to thank them for doing that. I will put a link and a code below which will get you 10% off your first purchase. These cookies are so, I can tell, thick and heavy. They feel amazing. The first is called Be Cordial. Maraschino cherries, semi-sweet chocolate, and other delicious amaretto flavoring. You're welcome. I'm gonna have to cheat a little bit and we're gonna have to give this a try. I think, I'm trying to feel it. I can't tell if it's one thick cookie or two. Oh, it's one. That is one thick cookie. Oh my goodness. That sounds amazing. We have another. This one's called Tea Time. Spill the Earl Grey, lavender, and white chocolate. You guys don't know this about me, but I love white chocolate. Right over here with a lemon glaze. Go tell your friends. We have to try these. Oh my goodness. That sounds amazing. And I cannot, they are so, what does it say? 3.5 ounces. So basically they're quarter pounders. These cookies are so nice and thick. I know, it's cookies. What can I tell you? Let's dig into what else is in here. We have, what is this? I don't know. Looks like a cup. Oh, storage cup. You know, I love Tupperware things. This is, oh, you know what? I had one of these once and I could cook soup in it. So we'll see if that's what this is. It's just really, really pretty. Let's see what the paperwork says if it tells us. This says we've included a French Bull NYC Mandala Everything mug, which is spill-proof and leak-proof. Use it for all of your hot drinks, snacks, and meals. It is a vented lid that locks tight. Dishwasher safe, hand wash recommended, microwave safe. I think that I had one of these and the reason it was good for the microwave is if you push this button, it let it vent and it would stop it from exploding or making a mess. Super cool. Next out. Oh no, more food. Oh, this looks so good. It is pistachio cherry sablé. And it's just tender cookies with tart cherries and crunchy pistachios. We're going to have to do a taste test of these downstairs. That is what that looks like. Yum, yummity yum. I love, you know what? I should tell you about all these cookies. I love cherry and I love sablé cookies. They're sandy and they're tender. They're so good. This says that the Lark Fine Foods Pistachio Cherry Sablé features a traditional French shortbread starring crunchy pistachios, dried tart cherries, and rimmed with sparkling sugar. And these cookies are by Molly Beezy Cookie. And the Earl Grey one is Earl Grey lavender and it's smothered in white chocolate chips under a creamy lemon frosting. And the other one says, we take you back to the days when you got a box of chocolate covered cherries for a gift. Well, now you can have all of those wonderful memories packed in a cookie. The Be Cordial cookies include milk chocolate chips, maraschino cherry chunks, and amaretto for the win. Yeah, we're gonna have to try these things. Even if I only get a bite and the hubs gets the rest. All right, next out, I have a couple of jams. Ooh, I have a lemon curd actually, and a raspberry. That is what those look like. I have to tell you, lemon curd is one of my husband's favorite treats, and my mom loves raspberry jam, so I really don't see myself getting to eat either of these, but that is what they look like. It says, enjoy your fresh baked scones with delicious strawberry preserves or lemon curd. Well, I didn't get strawberry, I got raspberry, and that just made me see. I've got a bag poking out here on the edge. Let's get this. Yes, it's Dr. Pete's lemon blueberry scones baking mix, and that is what that looks like. And it says, Dr. Pete's is a scone everyone can love. Lemon blueberry scones are the perfect combination of blueberries surrounded in lemon sunshine. Add 1 cup of cream, cut into triangles, and bake off in a baking sheet for 15 minutes. And you have just made the perfect scone for your afternoon tea. And then of course you have your curd and your jam to put on it. So that sounds like in the dead of winter here when I'm just wanting a treat, that is gonna be perfect. Next out I have an Alice in Wonderland Time for Tea, and it looks like they're little paper plates. Yes, the back says Talking Tables, 12 paper plates. This will be so cute to have around when I have the girls here. So cute. The pack of pretty illustrated Alice in Wonderland paper plates by Talking Tables is perfect for a Mad Hatter tea party, birthday, picnic, or garden party. Yeah, it'll be really cute for when I have the girls around. I think last I have a Jocelyn & Company Apricot Jam Petites Mini Butter Cookies with Rich Jam. So this was a box of yummy treats. Treat yourself with Jocelyn's Sweet Things Apricot Jam Petite Shortbread Cookies with the perfect amount of salt and rich apricot filling. This all sounds absolutely delicious. We've got to go downstairs and taste this. It is chock full of so many treats this month. We got the Dr. Pete's scone mix that we can make ourselves, and then the 2 jams that we can put on it. We have this French bowl cup that we can use to keep our tea warm or reheat our tea, or frankly, reheat your soup in the middle of winter. We have the 2 jams to go with the scones, the cute Alice in Wonderland paper plates for our tea party, and then we have snacks galore that I cannot wait to get in. We have the cordial and the Earl Grey cookies, the pistachio cherry sablé cookies, and the apricot jam petites. These all look so crazy good. I cannot wait to try them. So that's what it looks like. Pretty good job, right? When I just tucked it all right on top. Food for thought is it's just a fun box. It's always fun new things to try. It's fun snacks that you could have just enough to get a little taste, but not to overindulge. It is always just the best themes. October's theme is carrot cake. So that sounds delicious, except for carrot cake always has walnuts in it, and I'm allergic to walnuts. I'm just throwing that out there. All right, thank you so much for coming by. I will put the link and my code Kathrin10 below. It will get you 10% off any link subscription you want. So whether you do 1 month or a year, you will get 10% off. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here, and I will see you again really soon, I hope. Bye guys. You know what? Let's go downstairs and taste some of these goodies with the hubs. Hi guys, I thought we would do a quick tasting of what we got in our Fruit for Thought box. So we have the pistachio cherry cookies, the apricot jam petites, and then these 2 big guys, the maraschino cherry cookie and the tea, which is the one with the Earl Grey and lavender. I have the hubs here, so let me get into these and we'll try it. First we have the apricot petite jam cookies. That is what the box looks like. That is what the cookie looks like. So let's give it a try. I guess I'll get some of the jam too. My instinct is to go for the shortbread. What do you think? It's good.
I really can't taste much of the apricot jam in it. I mean, mostly what I get is the shortbread cookie.
It's a buttery shortbread too. It tastes a lot like a Walker's. A whole lot like a Walker's. This is Jocelyn & Company. Highly recommend. I was a little about it because whenever I have these jam cookies, it makes me think of the ones my grandmother made back in, the day. This is pretty good. Next we have the Lark Fine Foods Pistachio Cherry Sablé. I think they say sablé. I think it's supposed to be like just a sandy type, probably like another butter cookie. What do you think?
Once again, kind of like a shortbread. It's buttery. I'm not getting much. I get the pistachio a little bit. I'm really not getting cherry.
That's what it looks like. It looks like there's going to be a lot of cherry in it, but I'm with you. There's not a lot of, it's a very nice cookie, but there's not a lot of cherry flavor to it. One of these cookies is only 70 calories. That's not so bad. I have moved because I think I have better lighting this way. Now we're getting into the fun parts. Not that those weren't fun. Those were plenty fun, but this is called the Molly BZ The Tea Cookie. And this is the Earl Grey and lavender. Before I break this for us, let me show you. Remember I was saying upstairs how thick these were? It is one thick cookie. I just broke this in half and then we halved it. It's a lot of cookie. Is that a nut?
I'm not getting that. I think that's the tea.
Okay.
It's good. It's settled. The flavors are settled.
Look at the chunks of white chocolate in there. Oh my goodness. That was so good. The tea is subtle. The lavender is sub. This is what I like in a cookie. I like it to be kind of chewy, but soft. Yeah, this is what, I'm gonna wanna keep eating this one, and I can't. And then last, we have from the Molly BZ people, the Be Cordial Maraschino Cherry, Semi-Sweet Chocolate, and Delicious Amaretto flavoring. You are welcome. So that's what and look at that. Can you see the chocolate and the cherry in that? Oh my goodness. We're gonna get into this, but before I do, is it good?
I haven't tasted yet, but the cherry, you can smell the cherry. I mean, you can't.
Oh my gosh, it smells like a jar of maraschino cherries.
Yeah.
I am shocked by a couple things. One, you're right. I don't taste much cherry at all. And two, I think it's the amaretto that you taste. It's that almond flavor from the amaretto that is absolutely pervasive. And I am shocked when I tell you that I like the tea and lavender one better than this one. And I never like anything better than I like the chocolate one. What do you think?
Yeah, I like the tea one better. I mean, the tea one better. But this one was good.
Yeah. Oh, don't get me wrong. Those were all good cookies. That is a real treat. So I just thought we'd do a quick tasting. So see you guys later.